Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create our screens, and to start, first things first, I'm going to use iPhone 15 Pro as my default frame reference, and I'm just gonna choose that, and let's say that this is our authentication welcome screen. And I'll need one more before everything. And okay, not Pro Max. In the left side, I'm gonna create our splash screen, and for the splash screen we are just going to add our app logo and leave it at that. So I'm gonna do that in the middle of this, and maybe we can give our splash auto layout and center the icon and remove these things, and we can resize this icon with shift. I think 200 will be enough. So this is our splash screen, and in the welcome screen I'm going to again add our app logo and a new text. The first text will be our welcome title, and the second text will be something like description, maybe. Let's see. Well, let me do a grouping, a frame, and let's add this frame. Let's constrain this frame to this place, and now we can write this one. And okay, we added. Okay, this can be cool. Now I'm going to add a frame in the top corner and a frame in the bottom corner, because uh, I want our continue button to be fixed in this area, and I'm going to assign whatever we have, whatever space we have in this frame, and center that. So before that, let me add a status bar in this place. Okay, I'm gonna add this. This is our status bar. I will not have any navbar in this screen, so I'm not gonna add it. And let's say that this is our frame one. Okay, I'm gonna need a new text. You are agreeing. Just a small disclaimer text and a new button. So this button will be our primary. Okay, now I'm gonna group these buttons, frame them, and let's make this frame fitting in here and enable auto layout. Okay, this is our bottom frame. This is our status bar on the top. This is our info frame, and this is our button frame. So I'm going to extend this. I already have extended version of this text, and now I'm going to add padding, and our padding is spacing 400. And in the bottom side I'm going to include another 16 padding. Okay, maybe actually we can just remove this one, and or maybe just go give 16 padding to both of them. So I'm gonna extend this frame and center these items. Gap is again 16, and for the text style I'm gonna use maybe title medium. Okay, this looks good. Title medium semi bold, and for this one I'm gonna use body. Okay, this is good too. So for the padding again I'm gonna add 16, and gap is 16. And for this text I'm going to use this one, but our terms of service should be maybe like blue. Okay, now this screen is I think completed, and let's just use our text color in this text. Okay, this one should be neutral again. And the text in the bottom looks way off. I'm going to change this text's font. Let's see. Okay, let's make it something like 16 font and semi bold. I think this looks a bit weird. Okay, it looks cool in the screen too. We can use this one. Let's see. Body M regular. Let's select all the labels and make it body regular. Okay. So in the next part, we are going to create our phone screen and OTP screen. Maybe if I have enough time, we can go for profile creation screen and camera.